Hi, I'm Ben Kitcher. I'm the Executive Director of the Advanced Manufacturing Readiness facility. We are a government-led organisation in the new city of Bradfield, next to the new Western Sydney International Airport. So we're here to participate in the sustainability event led by the Western Sydney Manufacturers Forum to really raise awareness of the role the AMRF has to play in helping manufacturers adopt technologies that help them become more profitable, but also help them on their pathway to sustainability too. So there's two ways principally that we're helping to do this. Number one is actually leading by example from the facilities that we're establishing in Western Sydney. So our first building, the home to the AMRF, is actually a 6-star Green Star designed building. It incorporates 160 kilowatts of solar power, incorporates battery energy storage, rainwater recycling, and the materials of the building are also incredibly sustainable, being predominantly based in wood. So we're looking to show manufacturers how we use such a facility, how you can operate such a facility, understand your energy requirements and how renewable sources can actually help you solve some of your energy challenges. The second part, and I think probably the real low-hanging fruit, is to help manufacturers understand that through applying some of these advanced manufacturing principles, through applying lean principles in manufacturing, not only are you becoming more productive and more profitable, but also more sustainable. Cutting out waste, and it's waste from all sources, is taking you down that path both of sustainability but also profitability. So from the work we've been doing so far at the AMRF, we've come to understand that working with manufacturers on optimizing their processes also has a follow-on effect in their capacity to then optimize their products. And we see that both on the productivity and profitability of their manufacturing processes, but also the potential sustainability impacts of their products. So two that come to mind are actually focused on fluid and motion products, so pumping predominantly and moving either air or fluids. And our ability to help them eliminate waste in the manufacturing process actually gives them capacity then to look back at the design and the product performance itself and look to optimize that. So if we're applying additive manufacturing to a prototyping process for a pump, you can actually start to change the geometry and the design of that pump to make it more effective, make it more efficient and more sustainable in the long run. And that's all being born out of the adoption of manufacturing technology.